In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Information, select Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!